I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this PVC is a different color than the window. It's a different color than the trim that I painted all the rest of the trim. And you can paint PVC, but you can't tell that bad. So I'm not gonna paint this. I am gonna caulk this all in, and I am gonna paint this sill. So I'm gonna scrape all this old paint off, probably gonna get right down to the bare sill, and then I'll caulk all this in and paint this up. Then I'm gonna take some 150 grit sandpaper and sand this down. So get some more of that paint off and get this ready for priming. Now I'm gonna use some Dynaflex 230. I've had good luck with this recently, so I don't know, I kind of like it. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna bead down here. It's white and it is paintable. Let's seal this whole thing up. And then I'm gonna caulk in wherever this trim meets the window. I'm gonna do kind of a thicker bead because this is exterior and I don't want any leaks. There we go. And my little whoopsie here. I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. It's actually drying really quick because the sun's right on it. I want it to be a little dry before I prime this. Almost forgot. I wanna tap this rain cap down, fold it down over this trim carefully. You guys might know at this point that this is my favorite primer. Cover stain from Zinsser. I use it so much that I just leave a brush in there and a roller. Putting plenty of this on since this is pretty much bare wood. It's gonna be outside. I'm gonna take that sanding sponge and just give this a light sand. And then we'll do trim paint. Okay, there's one coat of paint. I need another coat on this sill, but that's gonna be nice and protected now. And I might actually end up painting this trim if the difference between the white bothers me. Maybe when I do this, because I gotta fix this at some point.